You know, I think this ceiling fan kind of looks similar to the ones in the garage. Except the vents have black in them. Maybe I'll show you what the other ones look like. You know, there's 5 blades right here. So they have, well, they're white vents as well. So they have 5 blades. And the chains into the car. So basically like this. And I heard these are like craft made flush mount huggers. I have no idea if that's true or not. That kind of made me think of these. I think it's like an SMC product. It certainly spins slower. But I do like the install. I think this house has some very cool installs. It spins slow, but it moves like a ton of air. Let me see if I can show you. I'm trying to get some. I'll show you how much airflow is here. There we go. Alright. So, over here, paper's not even moving. It's like ridiculously long blades. Like, it certainly has a speed. Not speed, but you know, it's got this really, it's got this nice chain on it, very nice. There's a look at the, kind of just, the blades aren't that impressively big. I think it has like, it's like an SMC product. I don't even know how much here. Yeah, I just find it an interesting install since there's like ceiling tiles. And nowhere else in this house has ceiling tile. It's, I want to say a 52 inch. It's some ginormous fan. It's crazy big. And that motor. I don't know if that's picking up on the audio or not, but that motor is buzzing. I think it's moving. You can feel it from the ceiling. I don't know when the hell this thing has been run in a while, but it barely obviously or never gets used. Kind of when they run, you can definitely feel it buzzing there, that's for sure. Yeah, it's just, I think I don't know, I could still like it on it. I could. It's got one singular fluorescent fan, so it's a pretty cool install. As you see, I don't know if it'll focus on that. You can see that's how far along the blades are. There's a look at the motor. It's a white motor. Usual. I don't know even know what this came in the other colors. I just know it's a pretty cool fan. Alright, we'll do a spin down. Now, I do have a few other fans I need to record a video of. Hate that the light turns off with the fan. And you can't see how big the blades are. Well, actually, there we go. So I could turn the light back on. Nope. As medium, low, off, I think. Nope. Okay, that's off. Well, that interfered with the spin down, but not really. You can kind of see how big the blades are now. So the blades kind of stick out to the light. I don't know how often this gets used. Actually, now looking at the blades, they're actually pretty dirty. So obviously this thing has been used at a point. You can see the blades are pretty droopy. You get in the back, and you could see, and now you can see the whole install. It's kind of just a random install. Not really sure how anything got here. Well, obviously somebody installed it, but you know. It's just an office space. So, yeah. It's pretty cool. Very cool. And I think the ones in the garage are pretty unexpected because, you know, you got the garage ceiling fan. I've already posted them on the old Facebook, so it's a pretty decent spin down. Nothing beats the Hunter low profile though. That sucker. It certainly had a long spin down. I know that for a fact that fan gets used. Now, this is like a relative's house. So like, yeah. Not here, it's like it's kind of like a vacation house, if you want to say. There's a lake, but basically there's a lot of cool and stuff here. You know, the moment is really tiny. Well, not really, it's kind of tiny. Yeah, it's a pretty neat fan. You can see the blades are kind of dirty. They're not that bad though. Nothing compared to that 52-inch Hunter original though. That thing was a mess. Now, to do with the Hunter low profile in the kitchen, I found out that fan, the reason in the video, I haven't uploaded it yet, at least I don't think I have. The reason in the video, I couldn't get the other one is because if you saw me spinning it, the other video is when it was like, it has a bad capacitor, or it has a bad one of these, reverse switch. Now, I can't replace it, I can't. I mean, dude, this thing has a capacitor, you just take this cap off. And yeah, it's unfortunate, but I'm gonna have to fix it. Here's a look at the SMC light hugger roast. I think it's an SMC product. It's a pretty good fan. I like this fan. It's another video now. A few more to go with that Bahama hugger. Thanks for watching.